Hello everyone, my name is Yo Ching Yi and my message number is 3038844, and today I will present my lab assignment 1, which title is TripFuelCostEstimator. Okay, let me start now. Okay, as the interface show, this is main dot. Actually, I didn't change anything. I just change the title name to assignment 1 and the home, go to the splash page. That means when the app launches, it will automatically go to the splash page. Okay, that's it for the main dot. And go to the splash page. Splash page, I use that foot widget, and I also write the void instead, which I want the interface to delay like 3 seconds, and after the 3 seconds, it will automatically navigate push requirements to the home page. Okay, like this section is for the design interface one. So as you can see, body center, child column, and I see I set it to center, image asset. This one I put it here, and also perspective yarn. Also I write it as an image, so it will run smoothly. And text trip fuel cost estimator, this is declaration, and circular progress indicator, I set it to colors blue gray, although it didn't show obvious, but I want this color. Okay, so text loading. Okay, this the final result will be like this one. I show you this one. Trip fuel cost estimator. After 3 seconds, go to the home page. Okay, that's it. Very simple, just simple one. We go to the home page dot, where I show like this one, you can see clearly. Okay, like home page, I also use the foot widget, and the variable like double width I set to media query like 400. That's been limit for width 400. It will didn't show too big for the user interface. And two text editing controller is distance controller, efficiency controller, and the estimated cost is for output one, but here I set it to 0.0. And this one is the field type is drop down menu. For drop down menu one, I using mat to store all the value of it. The key is field type, which is RON 95, RON 97, and this year, and also the value is field price is equal to each of the value of the field type. This one is error message. I have two error message: distance error message and efficiency error message. But here I set to blank first, which is default. Later we'll talk about it. Okay, this we go into widget. This is 400 media query, like just now I said, to limitation one. And we scaffold a bar row trip fuel cost estimated. Like here I put an icon on it, image asset. I set to head 32, so if it's too big it will run error, so I set it to as small as possible that can fill it up. And background is color is gray, and body center child padding is set to 16, and column cross access element cost estimate start, so you will start like the start from here, and tend to do this one, so will be tend to row. And children and 3 trip details I didn't set center, so you will start logical pull. And the first test field is distance test field. Distance controller is distance controller. Keyboard type is text input type number. Declaration is distance km. When I click, it will show out the hint text, enter the distance. And the icons right above left. This is Flutter given one. So if you don't like this icon, you want to change another icon, you can automatically search in the Flutter. Okay, the border outline input border is the outline one. And error test distance error message is empty. No, this equal to distance error message. This is for I set in condition. If distance error message is empty, that means now it will run smoothly. Didn't catch up the error, any error message. But if not, it will show the error message, just like that. This is for validation one. Okay, The second one is text field controller efficiency. Actually, I just change the controller name, label text, hint text, and also the error text for the variable name. Okay, that's it. We go to the drop down menu one. I use two to show drop down menu section. For first is the drop down menu field type. I use the value I set to field type and items I set to field path. You can catch up from the mat just as already set in the variable section, like this one, variable section, final mat string double with all the field type and the field value of the field price. And where's it go? Here. Okay. Field type. When on change equal to value set stat and field type the value is when I click any of the field type, it will automatically show in the section I want to pop up. Like this. Catch up from the mat values. This one is run 95. This also output section will also show. Okay. So this site is to show up, let user know each of the field type has what of the price. So I set the text field, so that's mean user can know text field, user can know, even no text field, text, just only text, so that user can know each of the field price or the field type. This declaration string as feed I set to 2 decimal places, so this means user can know it. And site equals hit 15, and this site is the button site. I have 2 buttons, calculate button and also reset button. The calculate button, when I press on it, it will automatically go to the method calculate the cost. Later we will talk about it. And the other button is reset button. When I click reset, it will automatically reset all of the user input, even though include the output section. When I click reset, it automatically reset to default one. Even though this also will default turn into RON 95 set here. Okay, and now is the output section. I use container to wrap up all the output. Double infinity is for any model of the phone that can wrap up, that can include all of the space that system can include it. So padding, edge, insert all. I set 16 decoration, just decoration, shader, colors, and column, children, text is result. I set it to center one, and also size box, head, egg, main element, space between, fill distance, space between. So this means I can have one side on here and one side on here. This is variable of the distance controller that user input in here. It will show up in here. It will catch up the user input, and the others actually I duplicate all of the remain section. This is for the field efficiency. I said I just change the variable name. This is field type, also change the variable name. This is field price. I also change the variable name. I set it to the decimal place, which is 2 only. And also this one is the estimate field cost. Also set it to the 2 decimal places. And here is it. This is end of the upper section. We go into the calculate method. Okay, calculate cost. Set that. I set 2 distant error message into blank because I want to empty the wrong information. If I have the wrong input, it will pop up like this. Please enter the value number. Also of it, because it's blank, also please enter a number that greater than 0. And if I delete this, save. I delete this. When I calculate, it will send pop up an error message. But even though I insert the correct one, output will show normally, but the error message will didn't disappear. So that mean I need to be uh, set a blank message, need to empty the wrong information even though the input is correctly. So this mean like this one. Okay, this variable I use try fast to catch up the user input, even though user input string format input, system will automatically turn it to turn it to the double, but if not it will turn into the null one. So double price is field price, field type, this is variable, boolean error is for the validation one. Okay, so we go into the condition. If this turn equal to null, which is empty or the wrong input, it will show the distant error message like this. Now if string, please enter a valid number, and also this, please enter a number greater than 0. If efficiency equal to less than 0, also same. 0 can, negative 1 cannot. Okay, if error is equal to true, it will pop up the please insert all the current fields correctly, which is Scaffold Messenger. Like that, after it to pop up the error message will return and don't include the calculation formula. So if all run normally, it will go to the formula, run the formula. So the formula of estimate cost is estimate cost equal to distance divided by efficiency and time price. So if I choose this one, calculate, it will go out. Estimate fuel cost is equal to 6.65, and it already fuel price is already show up. Depends on each of the fuel type. Like this one, so when calculate, all of the fuel type is different estimate the fuel cost. Okay, just like this, my system is quite simple, and that's it. Thank you for listening my presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.